The mother was born here, but when she was an infant, my grandfather went to New York. They could only afford one person to go. And like many immigrants, the plan was, I'll work, I'll make money, and I'll send for my family. Unfortunately, in the interim between when he went and when he could afford to send for them, they were driven from their home by the soldiers of the day, whoever they were. They changed from year to year, and they were driven into the forest. And my mother and grandmother basically lived in the forest, off the forest, from the forest, for about between a year and two, I'm not exactly sure, during my mother's infancy or toddlerhood. And then eventually, I don't know how the arrangements were made, but eventually they did get to New York and settled.